Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if there are no startup items to display in Task Manager. Let's see guys. Go to Task Manager, right click on the bar and go to Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. You see anything listed here? You will not seeing anything listed here. That's a problem guys. Go to Processes and click any of these and type keyboard.w. Want to find Windows Explorer? Go down, scroll down guys. Here is Windows Explorer. Right click on it and restart. And wait guys. Go to Startup tab and check whether it is listed guys. If the problem didn't solve, I'll do another way to solve it. Go to search menu and type CMD. Run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you want to type SFC space slash SCANNOW. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time guys. Being verification base of system scan, this 1% need to get 100% guys. After completing this, go and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.